Alright, kinda in the coffin corner, but not really. Sort of transitioning at this point, I guess, to what's happening here with our crown flowers. Got 1, 2, 3. That's a miniature, and 2 sprigs that were stuck in dirt that are doing well. So these 3 will hopefully become similar to these 4. These 4 featured 1 purchased miniature, then 1, 2, 3 sprigs. So yeah, total of 7 right now. Whether that can support a population of monarchs, highly doubt it. But best part of that is that we do have a wellspring of supply when it comes to crown flower leaves. But for now, hoping this big pot will be mirrored by this set, and I'll transition to a larger pot sometime soon. This is a gamble because crown flowers are huge, so these 4 in 1 may not have been the best garden planning move, but sometimes stupid ideas lead to decent results. We'll see. Crown flowers are actually part of the low rises. We'll just do a little flow through over here. Unknown seed swap pickup, but whatever it is, seems to be doing well. Purple shower, purple oleander, purple whatever, doing great. No flowers today, but as you can see, we got 3 buds, 4, a whole bunch of buds coming up, and this thing is very hardy. Speaking of hardy, we got our 2 bay laurel plants here that are recent additions, and a third, which is the OG, that well, this one's kind of plugging along, and these 2 haven't had any catastrophic issues over the last few weeks since we've received it, so they're doing good. Sanga India back there, then you get into a whole bunch of bedding plants, and yeah, zucchini. So this is the elephant in the room, if elephants in the room are about to get killed. Yeah, worked really hard, and you can see its growth here. Have the potential for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We're on to the 9th level of hell. 9th level of potential product development. And as I pluck this, what I thought was a pollinated zucchini, you can see here that it is not. And we've only gotten 1 zucchini out of this guy, and although we have a whole bunch of new growth going on over here, I am not confident that it's worth the effort. So man, the fact that I see 3 females on there and some really new healthy growth here, I might stay at execution for a couple of weeks, given the fact that there's nothing else to do. But zucchini, you might not be long for this life. Ooh, well, sorry. Moving on from zucchini, we have the 3, which are our 3 future additions to the trellises. In 5-gallon pots, we have 3 kabocha, and 2 bitter melon. Now these guys have always proven to be very successful if you can manage their development, meaning that weird spotting and other crap that go on, including powdery mildew, as long as that can be controlled in the beginning, you usually get healthy growth. And we've had proven success with both kabocha and bumper crop success with bitter melon. So the future of the trellises are here. Let's just hope they can get through. Look at that. Yes, conventional wisdom says 1 squash plant per bucket, but I say fuck it. Why not? Speaking of futures, this guy and this guy, well, for $1.50, can't go wrong, right? 2 eggplants that are still in their starter pots, but will soon be transferred into, I'm thinking right into a 5-gal. But yeah, the future's so bright, I just gotta get some dirt and get these guys underway. Well, enough about speculation on the future. Here are some current successes. So these are our cherries. We do have 2 of them, and as you can see from this one plant, the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 clusters, actually 6, hopefully 7 and 8 clusters have formed, and I'm actually encouraging new growth from the base to fill in what will be harvested middle sections. But this plant's doing very well, as is its brother, the other one. Let's just call it that, the other one. But not as prolific as the first, but again, strong clusters, and so far so good. We just need to get these guys ripened up, and again, new growth on the bottom, which will hopefully fill up as I trim the older stuff. Okay, so Cheerio baby, you know that I'm in love with you. Okay. Oh my god, it's like right there. Ah, jeez. Come on, man. Further on into the low rises, concern, but realistically positive, because these big bambuchas on this best bush, I don't know. These guys have been sitting here for a couple of weeks now. They're huge. They're monsters. 3 clusters on each. 1, 2, actually only 2 on this one. But yeah, nothing ripened so far. And their growth has stopped, so I'm assuming these are determinate. Either way, you know, they're in the best sun position with a good old trusty papaya and papaya buddies in the middle. But the low rises are capped off with sun-loving tomatoes that should ripen